After NIC, I moved immediately to the Treasure Valley in southern Idaho, and I started a welding business. My name is Trevor Carpenter. I'm part owner of Crown Point Customs Welding and Fabrication, and I graduated from the North Idaho College welding program. The demand for this skill set is absolutely high right now. There's a huge vacuum in our industry. We do a lot of structural steel. We do a lot of architectural steel, doing railings and chimney caps and different kind of more decorative things for high-end homes. Something I enjoy about what I do is the ability to create. It's really cool to see something that you made out of just stock steel. The training that I received at NIC was helpful to me because it taught us every fundamental that we would need in order to weld. The instructors that we had were super helpful because of their industry experience. They were able to teach us not just the curriculum, but the little things that they learned along the way that we've implemented in everything that we do. I absolutely would recommend the NIC welding program. You get what you pay for. If I had to do it again, I'd go back to NIC.